Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is cream of mushroom soup. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, first you melt the butter in the pan, add the garlic and fry off for 30-40 seconds before adding the mushrooms and turning through the melted butter. Then it's on with the lid, cook it for 2 minutes before adding the salt and pepper. Then after a further 2 minutes cooking, where some of the liquid should come out of the mushrooms, add most of the stock to the pan, reserving some for later. Then bring up to the boil, put the lid back on the pan and simmer for 10 minutes. Then using a hand blender, blitz the mixture to a nice thick soup. If you find it's too thick, add some of the stock that you reserved earlier or a bit of water to get the right consistency. Lastly, bring it back to the simmer, pour in the double cream, mix through and serve nice and hot with some good quality bread.